Good day everyone, good day sir. My name is Bernabe Cuerdo from BTBD 3A FSM. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to measure a dry and liquid ingredients using a measuring cup and graduated measuring cup. So before we start, let me show you the ingredients for today's video. So I have here a brown sugar, a white sugar, a flour, and also for our liquid ingredients, we have here a oil. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start! So, let's start with our dry ingredient using a brown sugar. So, we're going to use a 1/3 cup size of measuring cup. So, using a spoon, we just put the sugar into our measuring cup and flatten it to get its measure. Like this. So, the second one was the white sugar. Same as the procedure on the brown sugar, I'm going to use here a 1/2 cup size of measuring cup. So just like the procedure on brown sugar, we just have to put the sugar into our measuring cup to get its size. You just have to flatten it so that tama yung makukuha yung measure dun sa measuring cup na ginagamit nyo. So here, we have here a 1/2 cup of white sugar. And for the third one, for the dry ingredients, we have going to use our flour using a 1 cup of measuring cup. So just simply put the flour into our measuring spoon using a different spoon. Same on the procedure on the white and brown sugar, we just have to flatten the excess flour on our measuring cup para po makuha natin ang exact size or exact measurement na hinahanap natin. Just like this. I have here a 1 cup of flour. For the liquid measurement, I'm going to use here a graduated measuring cup and this oil. We get the size of 100 into this measuring liquid cup using a oil. We just have to make sure that we will get the exact amount para walang masayang or hindi tayo mapasobra. Just like here, exact 100. So that's the end of my video for this task 3 about on baking subject. So hope you like my video and bye!